Good morning, Pre-K. I thought I'd go over some papers with you this morning. We're at my house again today. I'm not in the classroom, I'm at home. But I wanted to go over some papers with you that I gave you in your folder packets. Today, we're gonna add shamrocks, and I thought it'd be fun to draw a turtle. I have this paper, it's a number trace paper that you have in your folders also, and I'm gonna use it to make sure I write my numbers correctly when I add my shamrocks. All right, so the first thing we do is write our name. I'm gonna write my first name and my last name because practice, my C is not working. The line on the table was hurting it. Because when we practice writing, we get better at it. So it's always good to write your first and your last name. Julie Carpenter, I am ready. All right, so there are two different groups of numbers. We're gonna add them for a new number, which will be the total. So first, let's count how many shamrocks we have. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna write the number 3 under the 3 shamrocks. Now we're gonna add how many shamrocks are in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fives can be pretty tricky numbers to write. Here's the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna write the number 5 under the 5 shamrocks. Now it's time to add them together and see how many are total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 shamrocks total in this group. 3 plus 5 equals 8. All right, let's move on to the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use this to help me write my numbers. 4 plus, whoa, there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the number 6. Let's write a 6 under the 6 shamrocks. Now let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 1 and a 0 make a 10. We all know that. A 10 is a 1 and a 0. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right, let's do our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wrote a 5 up here. There's 5 shamrocks down here also. We're gonna write a 5. 5 plus, let's find the total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count and see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 shamrocks total. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So first we have 8, then we have 10, and then we have 9. The biggest number on our paper is the number 10. 10 is the biggest number, the one in the middle. The one with the least would be 8. 8 is the least. 10 is the most. That was fun. It's always good to use a separate sheet of paper if you need help writing your numbers. That's how we get better at writing. I'm gonna put these aside now because I am done. And now we get to start on drawing our turtle. Miss Julie has every letter for the alphabet in the classroom. My favorite one is the R one. That's a robot. I'm excited to do that with you when we get back in the classroom. But today is T. T says T like turtle. So let's draw the turtle. These can be really hard if you try to start with number 6, but these papers are fun because they're step-by-step directions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's start with 1. 1 kind of looks like an egg, maybe. It's probably his body. So let's draw that. All right, step 1 is done. Now on to step 2. It looks like we're gonna draw his tail, which is a triangle shape, and, oh, that's probably his neck. Step 3 is easy. It's a circle. That will be his head. Let's draw the turtle's head. Oops, I drew it off of his neck. That's why I use a pencil, so I can erase if I make a mistake. And it's okay if I don't do it exactly right. I'm doing my best. We don't have to be perfect. So we are halfway done. We did steps 1, 2, and 3. So now let's look at step 4, adding his legs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 legs that we're drawing for step 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4 is done. Step 5 is my favorite. It's a happy face, and we always like drawing those. 2 eyes, a smile, and then it looks like they drew circles on each side of his smiley face. 1, 2. All right, I'm just fixing my turtle's head. It wasn't connected to his neck. It would look like his head wasn't attached. That would be silly. All right, so we are on to our last step. Now it's just putting shapes in the turtle shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They did 7 shapes in their shell. I think I will too. The top shape looks like a skinny triangle. So there's 1. Now let's do the middle shapes. 1, 2. There were 3 shapes in the middle. 1 shape at top. 1, 2, 3. And there's 3 more on the bottom. All right, there's my turtle. I hope you like it, and I can't wait to see yours. So if you want, you can send me a picture of your turtle, or you can save it and show me when you see me next. All right, pre-K, I hope you have a great sunny day. I miss you very much. Bye.